thing is, AI is already here. It's been here.
You can be in business for yourself, but not by yourself.
We don't know what we don't know. And they are here for years and decades, and that's gonna show you learn curve. Use the tools that you got in your hands if you want to be successful.
It has been an incredible resource for our business.
Running into entrepreneurs who had trouble figuring out who they were going to sell to, what they were going to sell, and how they were going to message those customers. And so what this program did and what we showed today is how you can do that and how you can leverage artificial intelligence in how to do that.
This is the resource that you should be plugging into across the board.
They understood that artificial intelligence is not the enemy, it's actually something that's going to help you. They can have the right messaging for their customers and their avatars so that they can be able to sell more, make more money, and hopefully grow their business and scale.
Every one of my friends and family that they're looking to start building their business or start up buildings, I always send them here first. This is a one-stop for everything. It doesn't matter if you're just starting or you're big or you're looking to grow even more.